Today I'm going to be sharing with you a French toast bake that's great to make the night before. It's quick and easy and has 6 main ingredients. To start here, I have half a cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of butter, and I'm just melting them together on the stove top. While the sugar and the butter are doing their thing on the stove top, I am going to combine 3 eggs into a bowl. Okay, so I have 3 eggs. I'm going to whisk them together. And to this, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk, just like so. Make sure that it's nice and combined. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to add in some cinnamon. I kind of just put a bunch in. It's probably like 1/8 of a teaspoon, but you can kind of do whatever you feel like. So I'm going to add in our butter sugar mixture just to the bottom of this. And there's only 2 of us, so I'm only making a square dish, but if you have a larger family or you're serving more people, of course, go ahead and double the recipe. This will probably serve 2 to 3 people. On top of that, I have gotten the crusts of the bread, as you can see, and some regular pieces as well, and I've cut them up into square pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in on top of the sugar mixture. Now, you can add all kinds of things to this if you want. You can add some nuts to it, like walnuts or pecans if you have that in your pantry. You could add, if you don't have cinnamon, you could maybe add some cocoa powder. That could be really nice. You could add raisins or cranberries. But for me, one of my favorite things to add to this is actually cream cheese. I've cut these into little chunks, and I'm gonna kind of just bury these pieces of cream cheese into the bread. All together, I'm using about 125 grams of cream cheese. I love this. It's a nice little addition. I love the creaminess. It's okay if you can see them from the top, but kind of buried in there just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna give this mixture just one more quick little run through here, and then I'm going to simply pour it over. Now I wanna make sure that I get, hopefully you can see that. You wanna kind of just coat it evenly. It's okay if you're missing a little bit, but there we go. So this is going to sit overnight and it will be ready in the morning. Okay, here we are. It's the next morning. I put the oven to 450 and let's take a look at this. This is great. It's nice and squishy. It's soaked in the egg mixture. This is exactly what we want. Awesome, so I'm going to put this in the oven now without the saran wrap for 30 minutes. I just pulled this out of the oven and already I can smell the caramelly bottom to it. This is optional, but I'm just going to put a little bit of icing sugar on top. You don't need to do that though. Scoop that, look at how good that looks, and the steam, oh my gosh. So we're gonna have this with maple syrup on top and a cup of coffee. It's gonna be so delicious. As always, leave a comment below, share this video on Facebook, and make sure that you're following me at juliemartha.home on Facebook or Instagram. See you next time.